gracias.
yet another on-time flight. Last year, over 90% of Ryanair flights landed on time, beating every other European airline. Ryanair for the lowest fares and the best on-time records.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ryanair would like to welcome you all to Dublin 10 minutes ahead of your schedule. For your safety and the safety of others, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until your aircraft has come to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off for you. Please take care when opening the overhead lockers as items of your carrying luggage may have become dislodged in the flight. And for passengers who smoke, please refrain from doing so until you reach a designated smoking area outside the terminal building. And if you wish to rent a car, we recommend Hertz or Granta Partners. Hertz have a rental location just inside the arrivals hall. And for further information about our new routes, car hire, travel insurance, guarantee low personal or online check-in, please log on to Ryanair.com. Please be advised that all Ryanair flights require all passengers to have check-in online from 15 days up to 4 hours prior to departure. You can also be one of the first to board the aircraft by purchasing priority boarding pass at the time of your online check-in. And finally, on behalf of the captain, first officer, and especially your ORK-based cabin crew, we'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us today. It has been our pleasure taking care of you, and we hope to see you on another Ryanair scheduled service in the very near future. Wishing you safe on one journey, pleasant stay here in Dublin. From all of us on board, thank you and good evening.